how to find out how many GB your Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus or the Ultra has. Now first, let's tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to swipe up to go down and then tap on battery and device care in here. If you go down and tap on storage at the top, you'll be able to find out how much storage space or storage capacity your device has. So you can see here on the top corner, it shows 256 gigabytes. So this device comes with 256 gigabytes of memory, and that is how much it has. Or if you go back here, you can see it shows I have used up 68.8 gigabytes out of 256 gigabytes. So this device has a total storage space of 256. And that's it. That is the easiest way to find out. Another way you can find out is by opening up My Files folder. In My Files, you can go down and tap on Analyze Storage, and it will give you the same information. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.